Hello everyone, I'm Sachin Abraham. I'm from Kerala. So from 2019 to 2021, I was working along with my dad in our family business. Our family business is basically production and trading of cardamom and pepper also, and all the other spices basically. So while doing this business, I realized that I had to get an MBA degree. I did my undergraduate in chemical engineering from MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So after that, working along with my dad, it made me understand that people skills or how to do business is very important. So I decided to do my MBA. And after that, through my friends, I came to know about Welingkar. And after a couple of research from social media, LinkedIn, and other sites, I went on to Wellingkar's website and found that rural management course was an important course, and it is important for my future, and it aligned with my future because our business could be is at rural area and could be expanded in rural areas. So I'm currently doing rural management in Welingkar Institute of Technology. It is also called rural management, the emerging economies. This means that to teach about the untapped potential of rural areas. So I'm currently the General Secretary of PGDM Rural Management Batch 2021-2023. This has helped me be proactive at college. This has also helped me to be an part of organizing committee of Smart India Hackathon, which was a national event organized by the Government of India. I also was an organizing committee member of V4 Tech Hackathon, which was organized by the V School in our batch. So being a being a student of rural management, it gave me an extra edge to understand the market. The amount of field work we have is comparatively larger than any other batches. Our projects like grassroots help me understand the financial credit system of how an SHG works, and the market surveys we did, the data we collected, the data we analyzed. This was all helping me to get a better future and understand and help me basically secure a better job. So currently I got placed at Associate General, Bangalore, and this has been a wonderful journey at Welingkar. Thank you.